So we have drawn very important conclusion over here. This VB with respect to pulley is equal to minus time of this. Means obviously if this will go up, means when we will sit on the pulley and we'll watch B, if B will go up, then obviously A will go down. Okay. Then this can be elaborated like this: velocity of with respect to ground. Okay, or simple this B minus velocity of pulley. Minus means velocity of A minus velocity of pulley. That we already studied in relative motion, that velocity of B with respect to P means velocity of B minus velocity of P. Velocity of A with respect to B means velocity of A minus velocity of B. Rearranging them, I will get velocity of B plus velocity of A is equal to 2 times of velocity of pulley. This is also a very important conclusion. If you can memorize this, then very useful it will be for you. Or velocity of pulley is nothing but velocity of A block velocity of B block by 2. These few conclusions we have drawn. 1, 2, all came from same relation only, but very important. So this is only known as length efficient method. This is only known as effective length method, because length will not change, and by using application of that we have solved this question. We have to solve this question. This was basic. Okay, so I will use this formula in this here. So see here, this I am using, or this any when we should use, we will get our answer. The velocity of B, that we have to find. Velocity of B. Velocity of A. Velocity of A is down. Let us suppose downside negative, upside positive. This is my supposition, okay, of direction. Means you can change, no problem. ये मेरे अनुसार है डायरेक्शन कन्वीनियंसी. ओके, तो मैं डाउन आई एम टेकिंग नेगेटिव, आई एम टेकिंग पॉजिटिव. तो VB प्लस VC इज minus 5 because going down. Velocity of pulley going up तो पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा. 2 times of velocity of pulley is 2. तो implies that velocity of B, here this side positive, 5 plus 4 9 meter per second. See, same answer we are getting. This is correct, means no calculation mistake. So 9 meter per second, 9 meter per second. Two different method but same answer. This was, again I am repeating, work done by internal forces is 0, and this method was effective length method. That length of the string will never change at all, whatsoever happened. Either this will go up, this will go down, or anything else. Okay. So with respect to practice of time, you will come to know that which method is useful where. Sometimes this method will take small time, but this is always helpful. Sometimes this method is very smaller as compared to this, but I give preference to this one. मैं इसको preference देता हूँ, मैं इसको प्राथमिकता देता हूँ. ये मेरा अपना मानना है. You can go for any of them. Okay, now hereafter I will solve the questions. Remaining question either by this or by this, no problem. But mostly I will prefer this one once again. Okay. So question 6 solved. Now come over question number 7. देख लो, सिंपल सी बात है. By this method only I am solving. देखो कि velocity of pulley, velocity of A, velocity of B. देखो इधर velocity of जो A है तो velocity of B को fix मान लेते हैं. Velocity of B is fixed. Okay, तो velocity of B is 0 plus velocity of A that we have to find, and velocity of pulley is 4. तो 4 into 2, because 2 into velocity of pulley ना, तो implies that velocity of A is equal to 8 meter per second. Simple. Either do by this method also, you will get same answer as already I have done. So okay, I am not doing again by the same method. It is wastage of time. You can solve by your own. So question number 8. Here answer is 8 meter per second for question number 7. Question number 8. Let us see here. अब देखो इधर properly. This velocity 4 meter per second given. This velocity 6 meter per second given. And this we have to find. Velocity of string we have to find. तो इधर देख लो T ऊपर लग रहा है. Here T ऊपर लग रहा है. Here T ऊपर. Here T also up. Okay. Like this. On this block I am talking about, not on this pulley. On this pulley to opposite direction always like this. So okay, so here see, I will write, I am using this method which is work done by internal forces 0. So T up and this velocity displacement is also up velocity, so 4, angle between them 0 degree, displacement up, tension also up, so that I will write 1 because cos 0 degree 1, directly I am writing 1 plus 2t are acting up, this is going down by 6 meter per second, so 2t into 6 into cos 180 degree plus, let us suppose this velocity is going up only, we have supposed up, so I will write t into velocity of c into cos 0 degree. If it is suppose wrong I have supposed na, so automatically negative will come, where negative shows that it is contradiction between the supposition of the direction, automatically वो negative आ जाएगा अगर मैं गलत direction मान रहा हूँ तो. t cancel, so do not fear while supposing the direction. 4 ये तो कोई माइनस हो जाएगा, ये प्लस हो जाएगा, तो -12 plus 4, I think minus this will also go this side, minus minus cancel, so VC will be 8 meter per second in my opinion. I hope so if I am correct. No calculation mistake. 9th, VC is 8 meter per second, 9th. Question number 9. A is coming down 5 meter per second. B is going up 3 meter per second. Find velocity of C. Simple hai. Make diagram again. Here only I am making because again I will make diagram na, so it will be time taking process. T here, T here, T here like this. यहाँ पर T ऐसे, यहाँ पर T ऐसे. तो ultimately work done by internal forces is 0. T into, see here string was same, so tension was same. Here string was same, so tension throughout the string was same. Here string is changing, here string is changing. So let us suppose if here is tension T, suppose here tension T. I told that if this is massless, as it is massless, so tension will be distributed. तो यहाँ T है तो यहाँ T/2 हो जाएगा, यहाँ T/2 हो जाएगा, यहाँ भी T/2, यहाँ भी T/2. If here T, here T/2, here T/2, here also T/2, here is also T/2. Means tension in these two string, though they are different, conceptually tension will be same. Explanation clear ना? यहाँ T है तो यहाँ T/2 हो जाएगा, यहाँ T/2 हो जाएगा because this is massless, so tension will be distributed uniformly. यहाँ भी वही जगह T/2 means tension in this string and tension in this string same, but not in this string I am talking about. Here is twice of this. So what I will write, suppose here T, तो यहाँ T/2 हो जाएगा. I will write T/2 into velocity of A. Again I am taking down. तो the velocity of A down, T is acting up. T is to meter into 5 cos 180 degree plus. In this tension is T/2 only, acting up, and this displacement is also up. So that is 3 into cos 0 degree plus. Here tension, let us say tension is T only, same, because, and let us say this displacement is up, let us suppose. So I will write velocity of C into cos 0 degree is equal to 0. Okay, so I suppose that this down, हाँ, let us suppose down, इसको down suppose कर लेते हैं, sorry, plus T into, because velocity down, tension up, तो VC into cos 180 degree is equal to 0. Sorry for inconvenience. तो ये T कट गया, तो ये देखो 5/2 minus 3/2, 5/2 minus 3/2, that is 2/2, because this 0, this -1, and this will go this side, will become positive, so VC is 2/2. I hope so if I have not done any calculation mistake, perhaps any calculation mistake, no calculation mistake. No calculation mistake. Arre no, sorry, here T/2, here T/2, so here also T/2 only na, sorry, here T/2, because see here T here T/2, sorry my calculation mistake. तो यहाँ भी T/2 होगा, तो T/2, तो यहाँ भी बचेगा /2, and since minus here, this cos 180 degree minus, but this will come this side positive, but this -5 प्लस, तो यहाँ माइनस बचेगा, 2 कैंसल्ड, इम्प्लाइज दैट वी सी इज इक्वल टू -2 मीटर पर सेकेंड. अच्छा, -2 मीटर पर सेकेंड, यस, इट मीन्स दैट आई हैव सपोज दैट VC direction is down and tension is acting up. That's why I've taken 180 degree angle between them. Okay, but here I'm getting negative. Negative sign shows that it is contradiction in my direction supposition. ये नेगेटिव डायरेक्शन ये दिखाता है कि जो भी डायरेक्शन मैंने सपोज की है वो उसका डायरेक्शन अपोजिट है. तो ये माइनस शोज दैट VC इज हैविंग 2 मीटर पर सेकेंड upward direction. Means instead of going down, C is going upward by the same velocity 2 meter per second. Okay. Ninth done. Okay, this we have properly solved. Further question number 10. Okay, question number 10. So question number 10 is here. You can see how big question is, how many, but don't worry, very simple question it is, very very simple question it is. Same thing I am doing here. I am supposing let here tension be T. Again here T, string same, तो here to here T, but see here again massless, तो यहाँ टेंशन आके डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो जाएगा इक्वली, टेंशन विल डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड, तो here T/2, here also T/2. Similarly here also again distribution, तो here finally tension will become T/4, here also T/4, that I am not mentioning, but you can properly see T/4 here, T/4 here, this side also. यहाँ T है, here T, here also distributed means T/2, T/2. Work done by internal force is 0. I am using that method. So bring it over here. Sorry, here I am solving. Here. तो अब देखो इसको properly you can see now. Properly you can see. तो अब देखो here T/4 into 20 cos. Now correct. हाँ, cos 180 degree. Not 0 degree, because you can see clearly, देखो ये A है, this one is A, tension on A is up but tension on pulley is down, don't be confused, and displacement is down only. Displacement, velocity is down but tension is up, that's why cos 180 degree. On pulley tension is down, but on this tension is always up, as already I have solved many numericals. Plus finally leaving all this here, because these all are internal, they will be cancelled, don't worry about them, these all are internal, they will be cancelled about. So directly come over here, I will write T/2 into velocity of B. Let us suppose velocity of B is moving up, so it, okay, up one, the same thing here. So here tension will act up, pulley down, so on this here na tension, it will up, so it will be, since moving up tension is also up, so angle between them cos 0 degree is equal to 0. T cancelled. Okay, 20/4 5, cos it 180 minus 5, this will come this side, this will become minus B, minus cancelled by 2 is there, so implies that VB is equal to 10 meter per second. See, positive coming means our supposition was right, it will go up only. It is going 20 meter per second down, it is going 10 meter per second up. This is the answer of question number 10 solution. Okay. Now question number 11. Listen here. Okay, same thing I am supposing. Here T will be here, suppose C string is same now, so yella mein everywhere tension will be same. Here also T, here also T, here also T like this, here also T like this. Now look at carefully in this question number 11. On this block A, how many tensions are acting? 1 tension, 2 tension, 3 tension. Look at carefully. 1, 2, 3. Because ultimately here whatsoever tension will be, that will be twice. So what I will write, 3 times of T into 20 into cos 180 degree. Why cos 180 degree? Because see, 20 like this, tensions are opposite in direction. See, 3T into plus. Here on block B, how many tension? TT, 2T. And block B, suppose block B is moving this direction. So 2T into velocity of block B into cos 0 degree is equal to 0. Cancel. implies that this will become minus 60. This will also go this side. This will become minus 2 by v. So this will become implies that vb is equal to 30 meter per second. This is the answer. Correct. Okay, question number 11 done. Question number 12. Let's come on question number 12. Over here. Question number 12 I'm solving. So question number 12 properly. This is going 10 meter per second down, and this is, we have to find velocity of b. We have to find velocity of b. So let us suppose here t, here also t, here also t, here also t, here also t, everywhere t. Why? Because string is same. Why? Because string is same. So what I will write, t into velocity of a, sorry, velocity of a is 10 meter per second plus velocity of a is 10 meter per second. So here we were t into 10 and angle between them, see here, t is up, velocity is down, so cos 180 degree plus on this b, how many t's are acting, how many tensions are acting? See, 1 2 3 4, 2 because of this, 2 because of this. So what I will write, हम इसमें देखो चार टेंशन लग रहे हैं, दो इसके कारणवश, तो क्या लिखेंगे, 4t into, and suppose this is going down, this is going up. If we are supposing like this is going down and is going up, so I will write velocity of b, sorry, तो velocity देखो टेंशन अप लग रहा है and velocity of b is also going up, velocity is also going up, b block is also going up, तो angle between them cos 0 degree is equal to tt cancelled. Okay, तो velocity of b, send this side, negative already cos 180 degree will become positive. Okay, तो 10 by 4, that is I think 2.5 meter per second, if I am right, and yes I am right, no calculation mistake. Okay, तो इसका आ गया कितना, 10/4 12.5 मीटर पर सेकेंड. Come on, 13, sorry, 13, where is 13? I think numbering I have done some mistake, sorry. तो इसको 14 को ही 13 ले लेते हैं. This is only 13, sorry, numbering mistake, this should be 13 and 15. तो I am solving this one, मैं इसको solve कर रहा हूँ. Similar to this one, shall I, okay, similar to this one, तो अब यहाँ देख लो, simple है, वही एकदम सेम है. ये 4 मीटर पर सेकंड जा रहा है, यहाँ टी लग जाएगा, यहाँ भी टी लग जाएगा, स्ट्रिंग सेम है, यहाँ टी लग जाएगा, यहाँ भी टी लगेगा, यहाँ भी टी लगेगा, ऐसे यहाँ टी लगेगा, हियर ऑल्सो टी. सी हियर हाउ मेनी टेंशन एक्टिंग हियर, इंटरनल फोर्सेस 1 2 3, तो आई विल राइट 3 टेंशन इंटू 4, एंगल बिटवीन दम कॉस 180 डिग्री प्लस हियर ऑल्सो 1 2 3 4 टेंशंस आर एक्टिंग, यस हियर 2 बिकॉज ऑफ दिस, 2 बिकॉज ऑफ दिस, दो इसके कारणवश टेंशन लग रहा है, तो 4 लग रहा है, 4 गुड़े टी. एंड सपोज दिस मूविंग दिस डायरेक्शन, तो मान लेते हैं वी बी इंटू कॉस, सॉरी वी ए है ये, इंटू कॉस 0 डिग्री इक्वल टू 0. टी टी कैंसल्ड. ओके, तो ये हो गया 12, सेंड दिस साइड, नेगेटिव बिकम पॉजिटिव, तो 12 by 4 वी ए implies that VA is equal to 3 meter per second. VA is equal to 3 meter per second. Very, very simple. Okay, so this was simple, very simple. VA is equal to 3 meter per second. That we have solved. Now this, okay. Now come on this numerical. This I'm solving. According to me, here it is 15. Now see here. अब देखो जैसे कि suppose here yellow में string same here to here ना, here see here this is one string only, like this. So suppose here it tension T, तो here also tension T, here also tension T, and here also tension T. Okay, this is moving by 12 meter per second. This is moving at 12 meter per second. So see here, 3t is acting on this A. See here now, 1t, 2t, 3t, because of this only. 1t, 2t, 3t. So what I will write? 3t into 12. Angle between 0 degree. T's are acting like this, displacement also, velocity also like this, cos 0 degree, plus here t is, suppose this will come this side, this will go down, so t into velocity of B cos 0 degree 0, cos 0 degree is equal to 0. Basically cos 0 is 1, cancelled. So implies that velocity of B will be, this will go this side, will become negative, again negative, negative cancelled. So directly it will be 36 meter per second. Correct. So velocity of B will be here, velocity of B will be here 36 meter per second. Okay. Question number 16. Question number 16 properly you can see that like this one. First of all, always make free body diagram, huh? Always. Here because of lack of time I am doing like this, but you make separate free body diagram. Here m2g, to here n will act because of this, to here also n will act by Newton third law, action reaction pair like this, n will pass from here, okay, n will act, and okay, this only here and will act, so because this only इधर लग जाएगा mg, and here this is useless because of this which here n will act. So what I was saying that if this is alpha, so this will also be alpha only, look at carefully, by alternate angle, alternate interior angle. तो ये अल्फा, तो this will be alpha, okay, and this will slide like this and this will come down. So this angle will be 90 minus alpha. See here alpha, तो ये भी alpha, this total 90 minus alpha. So what I can write, and motion is along this, displacement is along this, and this displacement is down and normal acting up. So what I will write, see here normal along this line, normal, this line only na, this line am. So angle between normal and this displacement is cos 90 minus alpha. So what I will write, n into cos 90 minus alpha plus n, and here we have to find the relation between m and capital M, means m1 and m2. Let us suppose this acceleration is in this direction a2, this acceleration in this direction a1, ये a1, and we have to find relation between a1 and a2. This type of plenty of question you will see in the book. And okay, तो इधर देखो n लग गया, because action reaction pair है तो n same only, n into cos 180 degree. Why 180 degree? Because n acting up, acceleration down, and I am using the same formula as I told you people, that net work done is 0. Net work done by internal force x equal to 0. Then I differentiated this, then I got this velocity here. Then again differentiated this, then I got acceleration here. And I told you these all are very useful. Here I am using this one. Earlier I was in previous numerical, I was using this one. And cancelled, equal to 0, implies that अच्छा देखो velocity तो acceleration of this one was a2, acceleration of this one was a1, sorry, is equal to 0. Now correct. So a2 cos 90 minus alpha is equal to a1, because 180 this side positive, so implies a cos 90 minus alpha sin alpha, a1 is equal to a2 sin alpha. This is the answer, general answer. a1 is equal to 2 sin alpha. Okay, question number 16 solved. 3-4 more questions are here, that also I will solve, okay, for you people. So let us solve question number this one, 17. So question number 17. Question number 17. So here question number 17, find the relation between VA and VB. Find the relation between VA and VB means same question as it was here. here we found the relation between acceleration. Okay, now here we have to find relation between velocities of A and velocity of B. So simple, make the diagram, nothing else. Make diagram. Here normal acting like this on this separate diagram, otherwise I will make you feel confused. तो देखो ऐसे बना लेते हैं, ये हमारा वेज हो गया, this one is B. तो on B normal will be like this, तो on this normal will like this only ना. Simple. This is going this side by VA. Okay. So this, and suppose this is 37 degree. This is 37 degree. So this is 53 degree because 90, 37, 53. Again this will be 37 degree, and again this will be 53 degree. So what I will write here, listen here now. This will slide this side and this will slide down here like this. So what I will write that n into velocity of A, n into velocity of A. See, n acting like this, velocity of A like this, angle between them cos 53 degree, plus n acting like this, and suppose if this will move like this, so along with this will also move like this only na, because they both are related. So displacement of this for this is VA along this, so angle between them is this only, which is like this. See here, this is 53 degree, this will be also 53 degree, so this angle will be 180 degree minus 53 degree. See here, by this logic I am using. See here, this was 53 degree, so vertically opposite angle this will be also 53 degree. See here, so this angle will be 180 degree minus 53 degree. 180 degree minus 53 degree means 90 degree plus 37 degree. I hope so. Or whatsoever, that I will use the formula, no problem. So here I will take n into velocity of A into cos 180 minus 53. Cos 180 minus 53, n cancelled. So VA is equal to minus, sorry, this was VB. So VB cos 53 degree is equal to minus of VA cos 180 degree minus 53 degree. Cos 180 degree minus theta minus cos theta. So minus will become plus. तो VA cos 53 degree, 53 cancel, means VA is equal to VB, correct. See, common sense also, means whatsoever the velocity, by which velocity this will move in this direction, by the same velocity this will also move in this direction with respect to A. Means this is the relation between velocity of A with respect to velocity of B. You are right, correct, 100% correct. They both will move in by the same velocity. Okay, now let's come on question number 18 now. But before solving question number 18 and 19, I will like to solve question number 20, the last question here. Then later on I will solve this question at the last. And anything, any question else? One question is here also, question number 21. I will solve this, then I will solve this too. Why? Because see, these two are the last fourth type constraint motion, which I told you. Four type constraint motion. See here, four type constraint motion, that pulley, block, wedge constraint motion. Here pulley is also there, blocks are also there, and all are moving. Pulley will also shift, and block will also shift. But see, this is only pulley constraint motion, pulley block constraint motion. Wedge is not there, but this one is wedge pulley constraint motion. So this two question I will like to solve at the last. First of all, I solve this. Okay. So let us solve this one. Okay. Question number 20, according to my figure. फाइंड द वेलोसिटी ऑफ बी, वी हैव टू फाइंड, हमको वेलोसिटी ऑफ, हमको बी की वेलोसिटी फाइंड करनी है. सो लिसन हियर प्रॉपर्ली. A is going 2 मीटर पर सेकेंड डाउन, C is also going 2 मीटर पर सेकेंड डाउन. तो T here, रेड कलर पे, हाँ, T here acting up, see here on this block, and T here on this block also acting up, and like this. Here T acting like this, neither pure vertically nor pure vertically horizontal, nor pure vertically vertical, neither vertically horizontal, नॉर वर्टिकल नॉर हॉरिजॉन्टल, नीदर वर्टिकल नॉर हॉरिजॉन्टल, ना ही ये पूरा वर्टिकल है ना ही हॉरिजॉन्टल है. ओके, तो फर्स्ट फोकस ऑन दिस वन. T into velocity is 2, angle between T and velocity, T is up, velocity down, T up है, velocity down है, तो cos 180 डिग्री प्लस अगेन T here up, velocity 2 meter per second, cos 180 degree minus, directly I am writing -1, plus here T is acting like this here. So here I have to resolve this force. This will be T cos 37 and this will be T cos 53. These two will cancel out each other, and these two vertical component I will get sine, both of sine. So that I am writing, because see, these two will cancel out each other. तो T sin 37 डिग्री प्लस T cos 53 डिग्री. Let us suppose this B is moving up. Both tensions are acting upward. So V is also, I have supposed, up. So angle between them 0 degree, cos 0 1 is equal to 0. T again cancelled. This will be -4. This I will bring to this side. This will also become minus VB. Cos 37 degree 3/5 plus cos 53 degree. Cos 53 degree is also 3/5. So simple. What I will do here, I will solve this. So let us solve this. T is acting up, velocity is down, so T into 2 cos 180 degree plus here also T is acting up, velocity down, so T into again 2 cos 180 degree, directly I am writing -1, plus here T cos this one, T sin theta, so T sin 37 degree plus sine component of this also T sin 53 degree. Let us say the velocity of B is VB and going up, they are going down. Let us suppose, तो ये VB up, तो cos tension, both tensions are acting up, velocity is also up, तो cos 0 1 is equal to 0. T cancelled, implies that this will be minus, this will be also minus, -4. This I will bring to that side, this will also become minus VB. Cos 37 degree 3/5, sorry, sin 37 degree 3/5, sin 53 degree 4/5. Minus cancelled, implies that VB is equal to 4 into 5/7, that is 20/7 meter per second. Answer. This is value of VB. Okay, solve. Now before solving this again, come over here. Here only I am solving directly. So see here, again same condition. Here tension along this here T, neither vertical nor horizontal. यहाँ टेंशन ना ही वर्टिकल है ना ही हॉरिजॉन्टल है. तो सपोज करते हैं यहाँ T है तो यहाँ T ऐसे होगा, यहाँ भी T ऐसे होगा. ओके, एंड एज आई टोल्ड अर्लियर, जैसे मैंने पहले सूचित किया था आप लोगों को, कि इफ़ दिस इज massless then tension will be distributed. तो here tension will be in this rope will be T/2, here tension will be T/2. Okay, similarly here again see this T/2 will be distributed over this rope, so here tension will be in this rope T/4. Similarly here T/2, so T/4 half means here T/4, here also T/4. means t by 4, t by 4, t by 4, t by 4, t by 2, t by 2, t. Okay, no problem. You can also suppose 2t, then suppose 2t here, then t will be distributed here, no problem. It's all on your supposition, but answer will be same. Here t, velocity of this A, see here, velocity of A is 10 meter per second, velocity of D is 8 meter per second as shown, velocity of D 8 meter per second down, velocity of C 4 meter per second up, velocity of B we have to find. So T into velocity of this is 10, tension like this, velocity like this, angle between them this much, angle is cos 180 degree minus 37 degree. Okay, plus now see here tension. Here tension is t by 4. T by 4. Velocity is 8 meter per second down 8. Angle between them t by 4 up. Velocity down. Cos 180 degree means minus 1. Now look at over here. This I'm writing here plus. After this I'm writing here. Don't be confused. After this space is not there. I'm writing here. Plus here also t by 4. T by 4 going up to into 4 1. Why? Because tension up t by 4, velocity also up, angle between them 0 degree, cos 0 1, plus this is t by 4. Suppose this is going up, so this will come down. I am supposing that. If supposition will be wrong, so negative will come, don't worry. So t by 4 into t by 4 into velocity of B into cos 0 is again 1 equal to 0. Okay, this is the total equation. So t by t cancelled, cos 180 degree minus theta minus cos theta, cos 180 degree minus theta minus cos theta. So minus cos 37 degrees minus 4 by 5 plus this will become cancel minus 2, this will become plus 1, this will become plus VB by 4 equal to 0. Solve this. 2 8 minus 10 plus 1 minus 9, send this to side, minus VB by 4, minus minus cancel, implies that VB is equal to 36 meter per second. Answer. See, easily we have solved. Okay, now back to this. Now this question I am solving at last. Why? Because they are very important but little bit twisted, but simple, very simple. Suppose this, I am taking this one. देखो, first of all look at carefully. If it will slide like this, देखो अगर ये ऐसे खिसकता है तो this B will have two velocity. One, this B will slide along this like this with the same velocity. Common sense, but by logic also I will do. And one, it will slide down. A will have only one velocity, that is 5 meter per second in this direction, horizontal. A के पास एक ही velocity होगी horizontal दिशा में 5 मीटर पर सेकेंड, बट इसके पास two velocities, दो velocity होंगी, एक ऐसे एक ऐसे. तो VB के पास two velocity होगी. Let us say V1 and V2, and this will be angle between these two velocity, and after that we have to take vector summation of that. Okay. So first of all, to solve this we have to make free body diagram. So for making free body diagram, let's make free body diagram. This is 37, this is 90, so obviously this will be 53 degree, no confusion in that. ये 37 डिग्री हो जाएगा. सी, सिंगल मीन्स 37 डिग्री, डबल मीन्स 53 डिग्री. डोंट बी कंफ्यूज, दिस इज माई नोटेशन, इज नॉट स्टैंडर्ड, बट ये मेरा रिप्रेजेंटेशन का तरीका है. ओके, एंड हियर इज सम सपोज बी, हियर ए. ओके, हियर इज अ पुल्ली. तो हियर वन टेंशन इज एक्टिंग लाइक दिस, अदर टेंशन is acting parallel to this wedge T. Same tension acting over here. It will cut from here. T, and no any other force. Normal because of this wedge acting like this. तो नॉर्मल बिकॉज ऑफ दिस सेम नॉर्मल विल एक्ट हियर, न्यूटन थर्ड लॉ, एक्शन रिएक्शन पेयर. ओके, तो लेट्स सॉल्व दिस हियर. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फॉर नॉर्मल आई एम डूइंग. देखो फॉर नॉर्मल तो n and see the velocity of this wedge A is in this direction. ये velocity है, this is not a force, don't be confused. This red color I am representing velocity है ये ऐसे. To find the angle between force and velocity, ये 5 meter per second है as shown in the question. 5 meter per second है. तो see this is 37 degree, this will be 53 degree, so this will also 53 degree alternate, correct. तो अब देखो n into VB, velocity of B means first of all I am writing for this only because otherwise I will write for this only, no problem. So n, this velocity is 5, n acting like this, velocity is 5, angle between them 53 degree, cos 53 degree. Now see the same n acting over here on this block. So n velocity of B along this direction I have supposed 2, let us suppose 2, I have supposed 2 na, so V2 velocity will be like this and this normal is acting like this. See velocity like this, normal acting like this. So angle between this velocity and normal is, this is theta, this will also be theta. This total angle is 90 plus 37 degree. Once again see here alternate angle से ये theta हो जाएगा. और always see here properly tension and normal will be perpendicular. Tension normal perpendicular, tension will be like this. Here tension will be like this only ना. Tension देखो this only I have drawn here tension. अब ये okay velocity like this, तो this angle only I am taking ना, this angle. So this angle is nothing but 37 90. So this plus 90. Okay, so this will be V2, V2 into cos 90 plus 37 equal to 0. And cancelled implies that cos 90 degree plus theta minus sin theta, 5 into cos 53 degree minus V2 sin 37 degree is equal to 0. I will send to this side, this will become plus. So 5 into cos 53 degree is equal to V2 sin 37 degree. We know that cos 53 degree and sin 37 degree both are equal and both are 3 by 5. Sin 37 degree also 3 by 5. 53 degree cos 53 degree also 3 by 5. तो these two will cancel. तो V2 की वैल्यू यहाँ से आ जाएगी 5 मीटर पर सेकेंड. 5 मीटर पर सेकेंड. Okay, this one component we got, this V2 is 5 meter per second. V1 we need to find again. So for V1 we'll take help of tension. Here pause the screen and note it. So for V1 tension here acting like this, so I will write tension into 5 which is velocity of this wedge. On this wedge is acting, तो wedge की velocity 5 है. Angle between tension and this cos 0 1, angle between tension and velocity 0, plus t like this. See here t is acting, here t is acting, so this t is acting like this and velocity of wedge is like this. So angle between them is this much na, this much means 90 plus 53, 90 plus 53, so t into 5 cos 90 plus 53 degree plus one more tension here. This tension is like this and this will slide down. See na, it will go up, it will go to this side, to slide down. So this tension like this, velocity like this, angle between them 180 degree. Tension like this, velocity like this, angle between them 180 degree. So I will write for this block, because this block motion is not along this now, this is along this, t into velocity 2 into cos 180 minus 1 is equal to 0, cancelled. 5 cos 90 degree plus theta minus sin theta, minus 5 into sine 53 degree. This will come, this side will become positive because see minus here, so V2 implies that this will be 4 by 5. 5 cancel, 5 minus 4 1, so V2 is this much, 1 meter per second. So finally we got V1 V2. So means see here V1 is 1, this is 5, so 5 meter per second, 1 meter per second. Angle between them, see here, angle between them, this is 90 degree, this is 37 degree, this is 53 degree. So simple vector addition means that 5 का square plus 1 का square plus 2 5 1 cos 90 degree plus 53 degree whole under root. You solve this, you will get your answer. I don't know what will be the answer, but when you solve this, simply you will get your answer. That will be magnitude. Net velocity will be in this direction. Net velocity will be in this direction. But individually, I found the velocity I told you. Individually, this will be 1 meter per second V1, like this. Okay. So let me solve this. 25, 25, 26. When you solve this in 20, you again minus when for solving this. So 26 minus 8, I think 26 minus 8, 18. Under root 18 meter per second will be your answer. Under root 18 meter per second will be your final answer. That is a magnitude. Okay. So listen here, one thing I would like to remind you class over here. The same question, difference, see the difference. Difference is this, here question was asking relation between VA and VB. Here it is asking net velocity of B with respect to ground. Okay, I hope I am clear. So net velocity answer ये होगा. Okay, the last question is here now. Last but not least. Similarly here, देखो इसकी velocity 10 meter per second है, जिसकी velocity ऐसे है, like this. तो because of this C will move, because of this string up, and because of this C will also move side. So again C will have two velocity. Again here C will have two velocity. Let us do it over here only. Let us make feedback diagram. C पे एक ऐसे T लग जाएगा, and like this one normal because of this A. तो A को यहाँ बना लेते हैं. A पे नॉर्मल ऐसे एक्ट कर जाएगा, एक्शन रिएक्शन पेयर लाइक दिस, एंड टेंशन विल बी वन टेंशन हियर. टेंशन डायग्राम आई विल मेक हियर, डोंट वरी. टेंशन विल बी लाइक दिस, वन टेंशन विल बी लाइक दिस हियर, टेंशन T, and T is same. Why? Because string is same and massless. String massless और same है तो TT होगा. यहाँ भी T ऐसे ऊपर लग जाएगा. सेम आई हैव ड्रॉन हियर ओवर. तो कुछ नहीं, अब सिंपल इक्वेशन लिखते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल नॉर्मल, देखो इस पे नॉर्मल ऑन C इज एक्टिंग लाइक दिस. C की भी टू वेलोसिटी, आई विल गेट टू वेलोसिटी ऑफ C, वन लाइक दिस अप. तो लेट अस सपोज दिस इज V1, दिस इज V2, एंड नेट वेलोसिटी विल बी बिटवीन देम. तो V1 V2, लेट अस फाइंड फॉर V1 और एनीथिंग आई विल फाइंड. तो V1 लेते हैं, तो V1 n into V1, sorry, टेंशन ले लेते हैं, अदरवाइज नो प्रॉब्लम, एनीथिंग वी कैन टेक, सॉरी. तो सी T on this I'm writing first of all C. So T into velocity of C into 1. Why 1? Because T will act up, and I'm supposing that velocity of this C is up. So cos 0 1 plus, see how many tensions are acting on this A? 2T, mainly 2T, this and this, like this. So 2T into velocity of A is 5. Both T are acting like this and velocity direction also like this. So cos 0 1 plus, how many tensions are acting here? Basically you will say 2, you will say 4, but I will say 2, because these two T will cancel each other. And moreover, second reason is also there. These T is acting like this and velocity like this, Angle between t and velocity is 90 degree and cos 90 is 0. So we do not have to consider these 2t. Okay. Similarly here 1t for this pulley I left, not for this block. Once again see here this t are acting, no doubt, but see displacement like this 10 meter per second whatsoever in this direction, and t like this. So angle between them 90 degree, cos 90 0. So no need to consider these t, only these 2t I will consider. Plus 2t, this velocity is tan, okay, very good, बहुत अच्छे, and displacement between them, see both t are acting like this, displacement like this means velocity like this, so cos 180 means -1 equal to 0. t cancelled, vc 10 दो 20 minus 20 implies that 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड. vc मीन्स vc का कौन सा कंपोनेंट था ये, आई यूज टेंशन ना, हाँ तो 2 मीन्स दिस along this vc velocity will be 10 meter per second. Along this vc direction will be 10 meter per second. Sorry, vc velocity will be 10 meter per second along this. Now to find horizontal component this, I will take help of the normal. So here see normal on this, and velocity of this block A is 5. Velocity like this, normal like this, angle between them cos 180 -1, plus normal on C like this, velocity of the C also like this only in this direction, that is V1. So cos 01 is equal to 0, and cancel, implies that V1 is equal to 5 meter per second. So this is 5 meter per second. Then again same thing, means this C will move 5 meter per second in horizontal direction and 10 meter per second in vertical direction. So net will be like this, net resultant will be like this, this will be V net, and V net का magnitude is nothing but 10 का square plus 5 का square. Cos 90 0, directly we can do under root of that, so simple, it is nothing but 125 under root, okay, 125 under root meter per second. Okay, then all the questions total, I think 21 questions I have solved for you people here. If really you appreciate this, then like, which will boost my morale, and subscribe my channel, which will be helpful for me in future. So really once again कोटि कोटि धन्यवादम, कोटि कोटि धन्यवाद, रोम्बा रोम्बा नंड्री, thanks a lot, take care, जय हिंद.